Don't be afraid to get crazy. You'll see anything you wanna see. You can be anything you wanna be. Waiting for the weekends when all my dreams come true. I don't care what we do as long as I'm with you. Waiting for the weekends, waiting to be with you.
Hey guys, welcome to Arambol Sweetwater Lake.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm here at the Sweetwater Lake here in Arambol, and I'm going to be showing you around. I'm going to show you how you get here, what you can do here, what you get, like drinks, food, whatever is available here. So something to know about this place is it's a very long trek to walk here, so definitely if you're coming with older people I wouldn't recommend them coming here, but if you're a younger crowd, definitely come here. It's a very interesting place. You get some really good Instagram pictures along the way, and of course carry a bottle of water while coming because it is a long trek. It will take you about 15 to 20 minutes to walk here, guys. So let's go and check out Arambol Sweetwater Lake. Okay guys, so this is the main entrance to the Arambol beach. So we just came from the main entrance of the Arambol beach, which is over there. Today I am with my wife Sharon, this is my friend, our friend Yanisha, and this is Daddu who drives my car, and our good friend also. So this is the main entrance and you go from here. So let me just show you where we are going to walk to. So to get to the Sweetwater Lake you have to take a long walk, and we go all the way that side. So let me just show you. So you see those jagged rocks in the distance, see those rocks? So those are the rocks we are going to walk towards and reach to the Sweetwater Lake, guys. So now we're going to walk all this way. So you're going to walk all this way and then start walking towards those jagged rocks. Once you reach those jagged rocks, we're going to cross there. So I'm going to show you once we reach over there, guys. So guys, we reached here. There are many restaurants, bars and guest house I mean. This guest house you can get for as cheap as 500 rupees most of the time. So this is the entrance. So when you're going, these are all the jagged rocks. If you want to click pictures, if you fall down there you'll hurt yourself really badly, so be careful. So let's get in here and let's see the way. So they have a tattoo studio here. If you want to get your hair done, you can get your hair done. This is very cool. So they do the braiding and stuff like that for people's hair. If you want to get a bong or stuff like that, this is the place to get it. So we'll just head down the street. So I'll give you a full tour of the whole experience walking here, what it feels like. So the vibe is really nice because, you know, even though there's quite a few people here, because today is a weekday, so if you come here on a weekend this place is packed. But of course, so let's just look this way. There's different things, as I was saying, being with the pandemic and all, the things have slowed down now, and this is in the month of December, which is really surprising though, that there is so less tourists, which is usually completely packed here. It's always nice to sit at some of these cafes in the evening, have a couple of beers and just enjoy the vibe. If you want to get a massage, you can get a massage here as well. And then they have food also if you want to get food. So these are the prices of the food. And this is also a guest house, as I was saying. So there's my wife and our friend. And most of these shops here have hair braiding, which is a very popular thing for foreigners, but Indians also do it. So if you want to braid your hair, you come to a shop like this. If you want to get some fascinating outfits here, very Indian outfits. Then you can get them here. So these are all Indian outfits in this store. So this is like the Instagram place where you click all your Instagram pictures. This is where you come. See how she's clicking already. So everybody comes here to click their Instagram pictures, guys. So let's get some pictures here and then we'll head down further. So let me just show you the jagged rocks here. So these are where all the Instagram pictures are clicked, which is very beautiful. But I just stopped to click some pictures because this place is incredible. Look at the rocks around. So it feels like a different vibe altogether. So this is a great place. Instagram pictures, you'll love it here. So it's like a cove. We're going all around the cove and heading on to the Sweetwater Lake. So more stores on the way. So we keep on finding all these different places where you can click some really nice Instagram pictures. So this is one of them, and you can look at this. So there is this stick kind of thing which will make a good frame for an Instagram picture here. So again, the rocks, the texture is beautiful here. So our aim and goal is to go all the way there. So we are going all the way there, guys. So let's go and keep on walking towards that place. So something I wanted to show you guys is they have these cabins here which you can rent out. Their prices are very cheap, and at the moment, as you can see, all of them are empty. So, and look at the view they have from these cabins, guys. So if you want to get a nice cabin for very cheap, this would be a nice place to come and book one. So the cottages I just showed you are called View Cottages here in Arambol, guys. And right next to the cottages they have like this shop with all cold drinks, alcohol and everything in case you need anything. So guys, once you reach this area here, means you have almost reached the lake, as it is quite a long walk. It takes you a good while to reach here, and this is the little tricky part. So you have to walk through these stones to get to the beach. Hi, how are you? Good. So see, there's some subscriber of mine who happens to be here. So we are going to the beach. I wouldn't recommend old people to come here, definitely not. So let's cross this and we'll head to the Sweetwater Lake.
Hi everyone, he is Moses, and please everyone see her video, see his video. He is very nice person. And thank you.
Thank you. So guys, we are almost at the Sweetwater Lake, and as you can see around, I keep on talking about the rocks, but here you have some beautiful rocks and a great place to click pictures. This is the beach here in front of the Sweetwater Lake. So there in the distance, as you can see, is the Sweetwater Lake. These are little cafes that are there all over the place. You can have a coffee, you can drink beer, alcohol, anything over here, and it's a little bit more expensive than, you know, buying it from a wine store. You can also get it from a wine store, get a box, but make sure you clean up everything before leaving. So I would definitely tell all my viewers to please, you know, clean up your mess. There are bins at all places. Put them in the trash, whatever you're drinking, eating, whatever. So there are a lot of foreigners here at the Sweetwater Lake, and let's just look around and see what it's like. So I used to come here when I was small. It's been a long time. See, it's quite dirty at the moment, which is very surprising and very sad. So if you look around here, you see this is the Sweetwater Lake here in Arambol. So there's quite a lot of people here at the beach shacks and the beach beds. So all the beach beds, if you are eating or drinking, then it is free. If you are not, then of course you would have to pay for the beach beds, which would be about 100 rupees per person. So this is the Sweetwater Lake, guys, and very sadly is there is so much trash here, so very sad. Here, guys, is the Sweetwater Lake, and there's quite a lot of people there clicking pictures and stuff. This is something which you'll get really good pictures on, is this small little whatever this is called, a little bridge, and there are cottages up there if you would like to get some cottages. So I'll go into the lake over there and I'm going to show you around there what it's actually like, guys. So we are heading into the little cove here, which is the Sweetwater Lake main entrance, and people, no garbage, outside drinks, nothing is allowed over here. So you cannot bring your chips packets or anything here, you have to buy it from the restaurant. And they all have these, you know, beach beds which you can use, and then you can go and swim here. So let's just look around. So many people come here. If you come here on a weekend, it is completely packed, but it's really beautiful. If you go, let us just look at the oasis kind of thing. It's very beautiful. They have palm trees all over, and there are people here swimming. So the water is very cool water, so you can swim here. It's really nice. So they have these beds here. These beds cost 100 rupees, irrelevant of if you are eating, drinking, whatever, you still have to pay 100 rupees for the beds, and of course whatever you eat or drink you have to pay extra. So this, let me just give you a look around the lake. So this is the Sweetwater Lake. It's really good. This place is really good for Instagram pictures, and the water isn't very deep, so you can actually swim here. It's quite shallow, and it's very good for families and a good picnic. So guys, we've got our beds here, and we're going to have a picnic here. We're going to have a few drinks and chill around the Sweetwater Lake here. So as you can see, many people are swimming around, and it's a cool vibe here. There is only one store here, store in the sense it's only one shack which offers you drinks, food, like beers, alcohol, whatever. So Kingfisher, Budweiser, they have all of them. So let's look at the things that they have. So today's special, they have fruit juices and other things available at this place. So it's this small little place, and let's just look around. Okay guys, to tell you about the lake, as you can see, you can stand in this lake. The water is very shallow, so it's not very deep, so anybody can swim here. It's very easy to swim around here, and it's very beautiful. So guys, they have paragliding here as well if you want to do it. So we got some snacks here, which is chicken, garlic and pancakes, and she's drinking some watermelon juice, and she's having something else, and I'm having beer, he's having something else, and enjoying life, guys. Enjoy life. Check out the place. So guys, I'll just show you around here, which is the main beach. This is right next to the Sweetwater Lake. So that's the lake, and this is the main beach area around here. So I thought I'll just show you around and see what it's like. So there is another place down there at the beach, which is very beautiful. That also is a nice place for pictures. There are lots of foreigners doing yoga in the distance. So this place is very popularly known for yoga and lots of martial arts, and you know, people come from all over the world here. This place is very popular with foreigners, so those are all foreigners in the distance there who are learning yoga. So these beach beds are 100 rupees as well, and if you eat and drink, sometimes they're free, depends on how much crowd they have. So guys, that is it from here at the Sweetwater Lake. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Goa, guys. So thank you for watching.